सुबह की, ना कोई शाम का ठिकाना था। थक हार के आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने तो जरूर जाना था। बच्चों, यह कविता मैं आप सबके लिए लिखी हूँ। आप सबका बचपन भी ठीक ऐसे ही है, नटखट, चंचल और मन के भोले हो आप सब। तथा साथ ही साथ हम सब शिक्षकों के बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हैं। बच्चों, इस बाल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मैं यही आशीष देना चाहूंगी कि आप सब इसी तरह जीवन पथ पर हंसते खेलते हुए आगे बढ़िए और जीवन में अपना, पूरे विश्व में अपना नाम ऊंचा कीजिए। बाल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में यही मेरा आशीष है आप सबके साथ, और साथ ही साथ बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Happy Children's Day to you all and Happy Diwali too. So, the first exercise which you have to do with your eyes, that is, first what you have to do, you have to look whenever you have completed your studies and done your live classes. What you have to do, you have to close your eyes once, and then what you have to do, look first right. In this full right you will look at, then to the left, then up, then down. Okay, in this you will continue for 10 times. Okay, after doing this, what you have to do, you have to rotate your eyes. That means you have to continuously, that movement you have to do fast. Okay, that right, left, up and down. Okay, so continuously you have to move your eyes.
A very good morning, my dear children. Today is a very special day, Children's Day. Children's Day, also called Bal Divas. 14 November marked the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His great passion and love for children is very reason that his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day every year post his death in 1964.
Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. Children called him Chacha Nehru. He always wanted children to have a fulfilled childhood and higher education. His great love for drones and children is a well-known fact. He always compared two of them, saying, "Children are like birds in a garden. They have to be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. And you, dear children, are the real strength of a country and the very foundation of society." So children, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a safe Diwali. Thank you.
मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, समस्तଙ୍କୁ ଆଜି ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ ଉପଲକ୍ଷେ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ शुभेच्छा। ଆଜି 14 ନଭେମ୍ବର, ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଥିବ 14 ନଭେମ୍ବରକୁ ଆମେ ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ ଆକାରରେ ପାଳନ କରିଥାଉ। ଏହା ଏକ ସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ଦିବସ। ଏହି ଦିନ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଜବାହରଲାଲ ନେହେରୁଙ୍କ ଜନ୍ମଦିନ, ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ ଆକାରରେ ପାଳନ କରିଥାଉ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏହି ବର୍ଷ ସ୍କୁଲ ସବୁ ବନ୍ଦ ଥିବାରୁ, ଏ କୋଭିଡ ସିଚୁଏସନ ହେଇଥିବାରୁ ଆମେ ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସ ପାଳନ କରିପାରୁନାହୁଁ। ତେଣୁକରି ଆମେ ସବୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ସବୁ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଶିଶୁ ଦିବସର ହାର୍ଦ୍ଦିକ ଶୁଭକାମନା ଜଣାଉ। ହ୍ୟାପି ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ସ ଡେ।
Every year we celebrate this year with great pomp and show. Teachers, dance and song presentations was always a big surprise to you all. But this is the year which is very different and extraordinary due to the pandemic. Nevertheless, our love and feelings for you all is no less this year. So we wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a happy, healthy and bright future.
चिल्ड्रेन, आज हूँ स्वाधीन भारतर प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जन्मदिन। जवाहरलाल नेहरू शिशु मान को बहुत भल पाउथिले, सेथिपई शिशु माने मते ताकू चाचा नेहरू बोली डाकुथिले। चाचा नेहरू मतरे शिशु होउछंती देशर अमूल्य संपद। शिशु मानकर विकास रे देशर विकास, एवं शिशु हसिले जगत हसिले। तेणु तुम मान भितर तुम कुनि कुनि छुआ हेले तुम मान भितर बहुत गुड़े प्रतिभा भरी रही। तुम जदि एबेठू चेष्टा कर तुम प्रतिभा को उन्नति पथरे आगे पार, जहाद्वारा तुम्हें भविष्य में जड़े सुनागरिक हो पार। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रेन्स डे।
Happy Children's Day, my dear students. we celebrate this Children's Day across India for the rights and education of children. Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14th November as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister known as Chacha. He wanted to see every child to get a chance for education. So students, study well, enjoy, happy Diwali and happy Children's Day.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारी जग की आंखों के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल हैं जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे. Children, you are the most innocent and lovable living creature. You are all far away from miseries, sufferings, problems that are around us, and you can also help us come out of all this in no time. I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day and a safe Diwali. Learn to obey your parents, your elders, give respect to them, and become a good human being and a valuable asset to the society.
गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन. आज नवेम्बर 14 शिशु दिवस. आज शिशु दिवस उपलक्षे मु तम समस्त को शिशु दिवस शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी. आज नेहरूंकर जन्मदिन मध्य, तेणु एही दिन रे शिशु दिवस पालन करा जायଥାଏ. एबे स्कूल बंद अछि बोली आमे तम मान को वीडियो थ्रू रु शुभेच्छा जनाऊछु. तम माने भविष्य रे निजर उन्नति कर, भविष्य उज्जवल हो तुम मान का, तुम्हें भलरे रुह, बापा मांकर ना रख, तुम निज ना रख, आउ तुम माने मध्य समस्ते भलरे रुह. हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे. थैंक यू.
हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आज आप सबको बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. तो बच्चों, 14 नवंबर को ही बाल दिवस क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्योंकि 1964 27 मई को पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के निधन के बाद बच्चों के प्रति उनके प्यार को देखते हुए यह फैसला लिया गया कि अब से हर साल 14 नवंबर को चाचा नेहरू के जन्म दिवस पर बाल दिवस मनाया जाएगा. जिसके बाद से ही हर साल 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. इस दिन को बचपन का जश्न मनाने के लिए चुना गया है. तो बच्चों, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस
डे and a very happy Diwali to everyone. So children, I have written a poem, so I want to dedicate to you all. Okay, so let's start. Be a wild, be a child. Be a wild, be a child. Jump, play and take a ride. Jump, play and take a ride. Smile wide and keep your phone aside. Smile wide and keep your phone aside. Give the kids your precious time. Give the kids your precious time. Give them wings and let them soar. Give them wings and let them soar. As little they won't be for very long. As little they won't be for very long. Have fun, enjoy their way. Have fun, enjoy their way. Let them have in their way. Let them have in their way. So children, wish you a very, very happy Children's Day and wish you and your family a very happy and safe Diwali.
Happy Children's Day students. I am dedicating this song to you. खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जोली बन जाए, झगड़ा जिसके